Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can save your site on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, even when you create your site and choose a template and actually get into editing your site, pretty much all changes are dependent on you, and whichever changes you make will be saved in different ways. Now, for example, if I went to edit the layout and the appearance of this page, I would need to save all the data that I changed. However, if I went to pages and added a new page, I could very easily just add the new page and there is no saving required, but I'm going to show you guys some examples. For example, if I go into edit and click here in this section, add a couple of blocks, for example, add buttons to the left and to the right, which don't do anything, but they'll serve a graphical purpose such as this. As you can see, we need to click save changes in the top left, and now that we've done that, we can exit and those changes will be saved. Now similarly, if I go into pages, scroll down, go into website tools, if I added custom CSS code, or if I went into code injection, added anything here, I would need to click save in the top left to actually save it. And the same goes pretty much for most settings in the settings over here. Now, for example, if I went over into my domain and changed my built-in domain by a couple of characters like so, as you can see, I need to click save. I won't be doing that because I don't want to change the URL, but that is pretty much what you need to do for most changes. Now, just to demonstrate, as I've mentioned, if I added a new page, blank page, and select blank page from there, as you can see, it'll add a new page, and if I click somewhere else, it's just going to save the new page and create it anyway, and I don't have to save it. It's automatically saved on the site. But that is basically all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.